Hello people, welcome back. I'm Manish Wagley and this is my YouTube channel, and today we are continuing our series on real-time ecosystem simulation. Now before starting anything, I would like to have a small disclaimer that of course we are creating an ecosystem and there might be some terminologies thrown around which might not be appropriate for the children. So if you are below 16, I highly recommend you watching the video with your parents' guidelines so that you can perfectly understand what is going on in this video. So that out of the way, I would like to thank those people who have recently subscribed to my channel, as we are moving to our 500 subscriber mark. I highly appreciate your support and I would expect more from you because you are the one who are keeping me motivating creating this content. Right now we are at our 455 subscribers and that is still amazing, but I want to cross the 500 marks as soon as possible. So if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please do subscribe because again it is highly motivated to me. So now everything out of the way, let me show you what I have done in past 1 week and explain some things to you. So if I open my Godot engine, let me see if recording is going well. Yes, it is. So here I have implemented a randomly spawning of the food. So if we play this scene, here you can see that some food are randomly generated over the map, and as time goes by, that is specifically in every 10 seconds, new food come to the plate. So our AI will not have shortage of the food and they can continue their life cycle. This is one thing that I have implemented in this past 1 week. Going to our AI, if we go to our assets, level and player, which is basically our AI, here you can see speed and gene. Gene stands for generation, which will help us account how much further in the future we have gone in our simulation, and speed is the trait of our AI. That means in every generation, speed is the one which it will pass to its next generation. So basically in this simulation, what I have implemented is it is something which normally happen in a unicellular organisms, where it split itself into two pieces and pass its gene to another one, and by doing so it tries to continue living in the environment. I hope you get the basic idea, and I think you will understand it more by seeing the simulation. So let me add few players in the environment and start the simulation. Now the simulation started. Let me explain it to you how it works. We have our player. It has its specific property, that is speed. Speed defines how fast one species can move in this environment. As speed goes high, it can move faster and grab the food before its competitor, and as the speed goes slow, it basically moves slow and there is chance of him not getting food. But this trait is balanced by the health. That means if a species is very fast, it will consume its energy higher amount of its health is consumed, and hence it will die faster. But if its speed is slow, then the health decreases slowly, and hence it will have higher time for searching the food. So basically it is it, and in every next generation it is speed that will get changed. So, and since the lifespan is our fitness value, those who live longer will have more children and obviously will pass the trait which is close to themselves. And now here you can see our species are slowly going to extend, but some of them, two of them have the speed value higher than 200. That means they are risking their health chance, thinking that they will have higher chance of getting to the food if they move faster. And they are almost at the verge of death. And I think all of them died right there. I know there are still a lot of things that have to be changed in the simulation to make it more balanced, but this is what I have done in the past week. And I know other aspect of genetic algorithm is still needed to be implemented. That means in this video I have only implemented the mutation part, but there is whole lot of sections like selection and crossover and other aspect of the population, other aspect of the genetic algorithm which is still haven't implemented yet. So this is what I'm planning to do in the future. I will make the system a little bit more balanced so that they will not flood the system with overpopulation, or they just don't die without getting to the food. So this is what I have to overcome in the future. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I highly appreciate if you subscribe. As again I said, it highly motivates me creating the video. Thank you so much.